Ah,
Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick HubSpot guide, I'm going to walk you through how to add a product module to your marketing email. It's really simple once you know where to look. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, sign in to your HubSpot account and open the email you want to edit. You can start from the marketing tab, or whichever workspace you normally use. Once the email loads, make sure you're in the drag and drop editor. That's where all your modules live. So yeah, that's where we need to be. Now look over to the left sidebar. Scroll a little until you find the module labeled product or product listing. Depending on your HubSpot setup, it might be inside the e-commerce or connected store section. Just click and drag the product module straight into your email layout. Drop it wherever you want the product block to appear. Above your text, below it, anywhere that fits your design. When the module lands in your email, you'll see a panel on the right letting you pick the actual product. Select the product from your connected store or search for it if you have a long list. You can adjust things like the image, price, description, and layout. Yeah, just tweak it until it looks clean and matches your email style. When everything looks good, click Save, then preview the email to make sure the product shows up the way you expect. If anything looks off, you can jump back and adjust. And that's it. You've added a product module to your HubSpot marketing email without any hassle. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.